Welcome back, Fluffy Brick Builders, and today we are going to be unboxing Raiders of the Lost Ark, Temple of the Golden Idol. It's an 18 plus set 77015, 1045 pieces. Once again, we got that lovely warning label on the front that's been put on literally every set that includes a battery. And not only is it put on once, but it's also put on twice right there on the lid. You also got the showing of the 4 minifigures: the Navatos Warrior, Belle Aq, Indiana Jones, and Satipo. Also, it shows the actual size of the Golden Idol right here. Flipping it over to the back side, it shows a little more detail of the interactive parts of this set. Indiana Jones running with the Golden Idol, Indiana Jones grabbing his whip from the vines, the Santa swinging on the vines. The size is showing 20 inches long by 9 inches tall. It doesn't really show the width or the depth part. Also shows that there is a light brick inside the box, which is above lighting the Golden Idol, and an actual scene from the movie of Indiana Jones switching the Golden Idol. Shows a little bit example how this is going to fall down, sets the booby traps. So boulder's going to be rolling down. This is a little bit of box art that shows the inside, but let's see what's inside this box. And remember, we do this to show you guys the unboxing of the set before we build it live, and then we will review it after it's built live. Let's see what we got inside the box. Whew, there's quite a bit in this box. Actually, I'm not sure on how many bags there are, but let's see what we got in our good white booklet envelope. It's just sticky, sometimes it's taped, you never really know. Make sure there's nothing else. Yep, look at that. It's our sticker palette, which looks like it just has a little bit of statue kind of stickers and chains and Tech little drawings. You got some quotes. We don't really get too much stickers. And here is the amazing artwork on the booklet. And some facts on the inside of the actual sets from the other movies. This series actually came with a total of 3. There were supposed to be 4, but there was 3. This set has about 15 bags with multiple bags multiple numbers per bag. There's a lot of numbered bags with each. Some are small, some are big. Like bag number 1 alone comes with a small and a medium and a large bag. So it all really depends. So there's about 16 bags altogether, but only 10 actual numbered bags. So stay tuned. We're going to build this live and then come back for the review in about a week or 2, and we'll actually review this set fully built. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.